Hey everyone, if your iPhone is frozen and not responding, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix it and get your phone working again. First, try closing all the apps running in the background because sometimes your phone freezes when too many apps are open at once. If your iPhone has Face ID, just swipe up from the bottom and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. If your iPhone has a home button, double press the home button instead. You'll see all your open apps. Just swipe each one up off the screen to close them. Once everything is closed, check if your phone is working again. But if your iPhone is still frozen or completely unresponsive, then it's time for a forced restart. The steps are slightly different depending on your model. If you have an iPhone 8 or newer, including iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14, or 15, do this. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. Don't let go early, just wait for the logo to appear. If you're using an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding them until the Apple logo shows up. If you have an older iPhone like the 6S or earlier, press and hold the home button and the power button together until the Apple logo appears. After the logo shows up, your phone will reboot and should start working normally again. And that's it. Your iPhone should now be unfrozen and back to normal. If this helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more super simple tech fixes. See you in the next one.